Hello everyone, welcome to my AI technology based online class. Today we are learn what are the real life example of use of AI technologies. What are real life example of the use of AI technology? The first example of Atman. The Atman is AI based intelligence COVID-19 detector technology for medical assistant. यह जो वर्ड है आत्मन वह एक संस्कृत वर्ड है जिसका मतलब होता है सेल्फ ब्रेथ। इस एप्लीकेशन को डीआरडीओ ने डेवलप किया है जो एआई बेस्ड इंटेलिजेंट सिक्योर एंड वेब बेस्ड कोविड डिटेक्शन एप्लीकेशन सॉफ्टवेयर है। Atman using the chest X-ray which can classify the image into normal COVID-19 and pneumonia classes using the limited number of sample image. The software automatically pre-processes the images before passing them to the neural net to take care of the variant illuminations level of the X-ray images. The another example, Hello Barbie. The Hello Barbies are the range of toys that use three concepts of AI. First one is language processing, another is machine learning, and advanced analytic. Satisfies the needs of children. Each of the Hello Barbies is equipped with a microphone. These microphones record what the child says and the Hello Barbies send the information to AI server. These server analyze what has been said, select from preset dialogues more than 8,000 lines and transmit the response of the Barbies. The another example, IBM Watson. Watson is a suite of enterprise-ready AI service applications and tools provided by IBM. It can be used in multiple ways to develop different products and applications. Chef Watson is an AI chef that can develop recipes on its own and help human chefs create a new and unique flavor. Watson Beat provides composer with a new inspiration by creating theme and musical elements. It can also be help musicians understand the need of their audience better. Fourth example, DeepMind. DeepMind is Google created DeepMind with an inspirations from neural science. The idea has to create an AI system that is able to mimic human brains. Google's DeepMind has successfully defeated human players in a number of games. Google's is expanding this system to healthcare sector. Here DeepMind is reduced time required for planning treatment and helping diagnosis. The another example, Volvo. Volvo is a car company that use AI for replacing components and servicing vehicles. Volvo collect data from its vehicles in a number of ways. These systems is feed to the AI system for helping Volvo maintenance. Its impressive safety records. The AI systems can help improve the vehicle performance in stressful situations and increase the driver and passengers experience. Volvo is also using this data for researching and developing self-driving vehicles. BMW use data and AI for making decision from the vehicle's design stage to the sales and after sales servicing stage. BMW is also working on self-driving vehicles. It has set a target to producing self-driving cars that don't require any human. John Deere uses AI technology in the agriculture sector. It uses AI systems that use visual data to find out if there is pest on the crop and a need for applying pesticide. John Deere also provides automated farm vehicles that use GPS system and from site AI for automatically plugging and sowing the fields. The another example, talking with machines. The BBC has used AI technology to create an audio drama, Talking with Machines. This AI powered drama allow listener to have a two-way conversation with the AI. This allows the listener to answer questions and add to something to the stories. The audio drama currently work with smart speakers, Amazon Echo and Google Home. Radar, UK news agency Press Association, is harnessing the power of artificial intelligence and robot for delivering local news under project reporters and data and robots. The full form of radar, reporters and data and robots. These projects involve AI writing 30,000 local stories monthly. These stories are based on the data from the source like government, public services and local authorities. Natural language technology is used for the writing these stories. The another example of AI, Netflix. Netflix has used data and AI technology for predicting what its customer will enjoy watching. This data help Netflix in its shift from the content provider to content creator. The investor in new creations are made on the basis of AI recommendation. These also allow Netflix to commit to multiple sessions of new shows. Walmart is a big example of AI technology. Walmart is the second largest retailer in the world. Walmart is using AI powered by the data for improving the customer experience at its sites. It uses AI along with Internet of these for climbing the online customer experience and in store customer experience. For example, scan and go technology, pickup and sale. Walmart is also experiment with the facial recognition technology to see it customer or sad or happy while it store or what with the store make them sad or happy. The another example of Cortana. Cortana is a Microsoft product. The Microsoft Cortana is a virtual assistant that fulfill different roles. For example, it can function as chatbot on Skype or customer care executive or provide news, weather, travel, etc. updates. Microsoft is also integrating AI capability in its Office product suits. It is also provide third party access to its AI platform for building the products. Global Fishing Watch. Global Fishing Watch, Google combined the power of cloud computing, machine learning, and geo mapping using AI and satellite based for building a system for preventing and legal fishing. This AI system can predict the reason for vessel to be at sea. These allow for a system that can identify insist of illegal fishing. False positives can be verified by human law enforcement agencies. Google Brain. The Google Brain project started as early as 2011. In the starting, Google restricted the use of this project to image recognition. With time, Google started to use this AI for image enhancement. Now Google is using the same system for natural language processing and improve the video recommendation on YouTube by analyzing the habits, behaviors, and preference of the users. Now once again check what are the real example of AI technologies. First one is Atman, Hello Barbies, IBM Watson, DeepMind, Volvo, BMW, John Deere's, BBC, Radar, Netflix, Walmart, Cartana, Global Fishing Watch, and last one is Google Brain.